We have team coverage on the afternoon edition with what this means for immigrants in Central Florida. Spectrum News 13 Stephanie Bachara spoke with an immigration attorney, but we want to start with Jesse Canales in the newsroom. And Jesse spoke with some students. And Jesse, what are they telling you this afternoon?
They're really excited, Eric. But first off, Chief Justice John Roberts joined the Liberals in this major 5-4 decision. It was also Chief Roberts who wrote the decision, saying in parts the Trump administration did not properly pursue a way to end the program. That means the High Court did not decide whether DACA and its rescission in 2017 are good and legal policies. Instead, the court only ruled on a procedural requirement that administration needs to give a reasonable explanation to end the program. To give you a little background, the program was created by the Obama administration in 2012 to allow children who were brought into the country illegally to stay in the U.S. A DACA recipient I spoke with before the decision told me the day she applied for the program changed her life.
Obviously thinking that both my parents left everything so that I could have a future. And with this DACA opportunity, I was able to finally work legally, to finally drive, to finally apply for school.
Now, the justices did write a provision to allow the Department of Homeland Security to try again if the administration sees fit. Justice Brett Kavanaugh, most recently appointed by President Donald Trump, wrote his own dissent, saying the administration acted appropriately in trying to end the program. Now, in their decision, the justices highlighted excluding DACA recipients from the workforce would result in about a $215 billion economic loss and $60 billion in federal taxes. In the newsroom, Jessica Canales, Spectrum News 13.
All right, Jesse, thank you very much. And we continue our team coverage right now with Stephanie Bachara in Orlando. And Stephanie, I want you to put this into perspective as you spoke to a lawyer about the matter.
Yeah, Eric, and this issue has been weighing on the minds of DACA recipients daily. They tell me they're finally happy to hear a ruling in their favor. Now, we did speak to an immigration attorney here in Orlando. Her name, Gail Seeram, and she explained a little bit of what this means and tried to put things into perspective for us. And she says that while it's a win for these young immigrants for now, there still may be some room for the Trump administration to try to end the program again so that it meets court standards. Listen to what she had to say.
Anyone who understands the struggle of immigrants, today is a huge win. And we have not been able to celebrate for the immigrant community in a while, especially under this Trump administration. And today was a huge win for many immigrants. And we still have a battle. We still have a battle to defend a lot of the lawful immigrants that are here in the United States.
Seeram says she feels like more dreamers will apply for DACA now while new applications are on hold because of the courts. She says with this ruling, the program will have to open up again for new applicants. And coming up later on tonight at 5, we'll continue to talk to these DACA dreamers and see what it means for them personally moving forward. Live in Orlando, I'm Stephanie Bachara, Spectrum News 13.